Welcome to TechStone's instructional video library. I will be your host and guide you through the easy process on how to apply our modern coding systems. We hope you are ready to enjoy this video as I guide you through the easy steps in learning to become a skilled professional installer. First of all, we would like to thank the good people at Portland Echo for making this possible. If you have additional questions at the end of this video, please contact us. Let's begin. This video will explain the process on how to apply the textured coating, also known as a bone slurry finish. For instructional purposes, we have pre-applied the primer coat. The first step is to apply the base coat using a roller or brush. Make sure to have an even coat and allow an hour for the drying period before proceeding to the second step and applying a second coat. Step 2. We apply the second coat with a generous coating. Make sure that you apply it evenly to give the best effect. The third step will be adding the special texture using a wire brush or tool. Make sure to pull the brush for the best effect. Allow 12 to 24 hours of drying time until we proceed to the next step. In step 4, we gently polish the surface using 400 grit sandpaper. Clear the surface of any dust before proceeding to the next step. In the final step, we apply the matte top coat, also known as water repellent. This completes our installation guide for our textured coating system, also known as bone slurry finish. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website and click the subscribe button to learn more about our innovative products. TechStone is brought to you by Portland Echo.